my Orchard videos. Well, we took the water pump apart. Use my little trusty little press. Yep, made the car jack. Very handy little thing for my fiddly project projects. Anyways, we took the water pump apart for this little tractor, and it's coming out in pieces. So I don't know. Here's the seal. So looks like the front bearing took a shit, so it come out. See the bar bearings in there. So, anyways, at least we know now. Can we rebuild it? I have no idea. I guess if push come to shove, I guess we could rebuild this. But I think it's pretty far gone. Bad uncle. So yeah. So I mean, this thing was turning around there and chewing up. Actually, was chewing up this surface here. Sorry, my light up here. I have to get a fluorescent for it, but anyways, it's chewing up this surface pretty bad because the pulley was wonking back and forth on the shaft here. So yeah. Anyway. But I guess if those parts available, we could just rebuild it. If that was the case, we had to do all you have to do what you have to do, right? All it does is circulate your water. You know, there's no thermostat in it, something like that. So I don't know. Pretty easy to come off. Aluminum. So I don't know. Parts of the bearing. So yeah, I don't know. This is ball bearings are falling out. Yeah, the this here is kind of ratcheted out pretty bad. Let's see if we get a paper towel or something to clean this off. I mean, it's not end of the world. I mean, it is kind of ratcheted out there pretty bad, and it's nothing crazy. Oh, yeah, it is crazy. This is foobarb. There's grooves in that shaft. There should be no grooves in there. Oh, this is done, yeah, for sure. That's too bad. I didn't see that. I mean, I'm just doing the video on the fly here, right? So for you guys. So yeah. Yeah, definitely not a good thing. This thing's been wobbling around in there for quite a while. So, yeah. So I ordered a water pump for it. This one here had it, unfortunately. Anyways, but, saying if a guy was in a real stuck situation, you couldn't get the right parts, you get the bearings to this thing if you could. And what you do is you fill this up with weld or JB weld or something as a quickie fix, and you fill up these grooves, turn it in a lathe smooth, and you can reuse it. That's what a guy could do if you didn't have access to enough to the right parts. But nowadays with with the internet, I mean, a guy can pretty much find anything he wants. So, but those are just things that a guy can do. So, and stuff with this too, you never throw it away because it's a good, make a pin out of it or something for the press or something, pressing out stuff. So it is what it is. So anyway, look at this cute little fan or little turbine in there, turbine. And got amazed actually. It turns any water out of it. It's kind of weird. But yeah, it's. I think it's seen its better day. Yeah, as some grooves in there. But, I mean, it's nothing. It's nothing crazy, and a guy could reuse it if he really needed to. You know, just the way it is. But we don't have to. But yeah, it came out fairly easy too. So it's got a bushing in there, brass bushing. Yeah. Anyway, kind of cool. I'm always amazed by the little things of this, how it works. So anyway, just do it is. Like I said, I knew that this water pump, I figured it was a bearing or something was gone with it, and that's what it is. But it's just so far gone. Just gonna salvage the hose out of here, reuse it. Should probably place the hoses on it, but to look good, so I'm not gonna bother. So to take them off and reuse them.